Hey guys, how's it going? So basically, I've been having some problems with that Cardot Smartphone car alarm system for the past few months. I've only just got around to making this video to explain what the problems are. But the main problem is the fact that the unlock feature stopped working. Now, I've spoken to the manufacturer before about it, and we tried different solutions, but at the end of the day, nothing seemed to work. It started off as an intermittent issue where if I just fiddle with the ground connection, it'll start to work again. But now what's happening, I even tried to run a different ground here and it's still not working. So what's happening is that the lock works, but when I press the unlock on the key fob, it doesn't work. I hear the relays and so on clicking in the module, but the actual unlocking of the car, it doesn't work. So I have to physically use the key every time I have to get into the car. So that gets pretty annoying. So I've decided to make the decision to take out this Cardot Smartphone car alarm system and put back in the EasyGuard one that I had in a previous video, linked in the description below. And yeah, I didn't have this kind of problem before with that alarm, so I figure let's put it back, let's make life simple. In any case, in Trinidad, it's not really practical to have the smartphone aspect of that alarm because it's costing way too much to run. Yeah, it'll cost around, let's say, it'll cost around $30 a month just to use that system. And more, it's more of a gimmick more than anything else. I mean, it's cool when you get it, you show it off to your friends and so on, but after some time it's like, let me just use my you're supposed to just have your key in your pocket and you're supposed to walk up to the car and it'll unlock. Well, yeah, now it's stopped unlocking, so time to take it out. So let me take you guys along with me. This is not a tutorial because I already have a tutorial on it on my channel, but I guess you get to see little snippets and so on of me taking out the old one and putting in the new one. Well, the previous one. Alright guys. One thing I forgot to mention though about the smartphone car alarm system from Cardot, one of the more useful features that I must give them commendation for is the is the GPS tracking aspect of it. So the fact that you could track your car from anywhere in the world and shut it down with just the press of a button, that's pretty cool, I must say. It was just unfortunate in my case that the unlock feature stopped working, but honestly speaking, if EasyGuard does come out with a more robust system in the future, let's say with copper wires, I would consider putting it back in my car, putting their system back in my car. I wouldn't mind paying the $30 a month or whatever it costs, for the added security, because that's something that's peace of mind, and you can't really put a price on that, on security. So yeah, Cardot, hope you guys see this because you got some fixes to do. So let's get back to the video, guys. So I've unmounted the Cardot one and I'm trying to undo these wires now. Geez, I made a mess before. Wow. Sort of. So let's start retracing our steps. First one I'll tackle is this one, which is the central door locking. One of these wires is on lock, which is the one that the black and white is connected to, right? So the blue wire is on lock and the green wire is lock. So what happens is when you press the unlock button on the key fob, the system sends 12 volts to this wire, to whatever it is in the car. I think it's the relays, and it unlocks the door, and in this case it sends 12 volts and locks the car. Yeah. Okay, so let's connect this one first. So for anyone who happens to have the same Lancer like mine, 1.6 liter GLX model with the Clifford alarm system originally installed, the open signal wire that you're looking for is the blue wire coming from the Clifford alarm system originally, and the closed signal wire is the green wire that's connected right next to it. It's actually joined together, so it's not so hard to find. Alright guys, so this is part of the reason why the previous system was more superior. EC002, this is from the EasyGuard, copper wires. In the old system, aluminum. See? So I left a little extension from the previous system. So I'm just gonna cut the connection, well, join the connection. Let's take the blue and black wire. Right. Blue and black. Blue and black. And let's connect them. Foot brake signal wire. You guys know the drill. So you're connecting this one to the orange wire from the EasyGuard. Let's go. Foot brake wire connected. On wire connected. Output up trunk connected for the trunk release solenoid. Ignition wiring harness connected. Turn signal 1 connected, and turn signal 2 connected. You guys remember this key fob? Alright, as usual guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Anyways guys, take care and see you all in the next one.